Hello everyone, my name is Shekhar Malik from number 21BQ1805K6. Today I'm going to give a seminar on the subject of computer networks. So today I'm going to discuss different types of topologies. So let us get started. What does a topology mean? Two or more links for topology. The topology of network refers to the geometric representation of the relationship that all links or linked devices to one another. So basically what it means, it represents or shows a connection between two or more devices in a network. The term physical topology refers to the way in which network is laid out physically. So there are different types of topologies. The first one is mesh, star, bus, and ring topologies. So let us get started with mesh topology. Every device has a dedicated point-to-point link with every other device on the network. So every device is connected to every other device. So based on the number of links, we have two types again, half duplex and full duplex. Full duplex. So every device has a dedicated point-to-point link to every other device. So fully connected mesh network has n into n minus 1 by 2 physical connection to n devices. Every device on the network must have n minus 1 input slash output ports. Advantages of mesh topology. Privacy or security. Every message travels through a long dedicated line. Only the intended recipient sees it. Physical boundaries prevents other users from gaining access to the message, eliminating the traffic problems. The use of dedicated links guarantees that each connection can carry its own data load that can occur when links must be shared by multiple devices. A mesh is robust. If one link becomes unusable, it does not incapacitate the entire system. Fault identification and fault isolation easy. This enables the network manager to discover the precise location of fault and aids in finding its cause and solution. Disadvantage of a mesh topology. Related to the amount of cabling devices and the amount of I/O ports required, every device must be connected to every other device. Installation and reconnection are difficult. The sheer bulk of the wiring can be greater than the available space can accommodate. The HW required to, the hardware required to connect each link is expensive, so mesh topology is usually implemented in a limited fashion as a backbone connecting the main computers of a hybrid network that can include several other topologies. The next one is star topology. Each device has a dedicated point-to-point link only on a central controller called a hub. Unlike mesh, a star topology does not allow direct traffic between devices. If one device wants to send data to another, it has to send the data to the hub. The hub will send it to the other devices. So every other device is connected by a hub. The star pattern connects everything to a host computer, a network switch, or a network hub which handles the network. All communication between computer must go through the host or switch or hub, anything we call. So let's see the advantages of star topology. It is easy to install and reconfigure and less expensive. Each device needs only one link and one I/O port. Robustness. If one link fails, only the link affected and the other links remain active. Iden- Identification fault isolation. The dependency of the whole topology on one single point. The hub. If the hub goes down, the whole system is dead. This is the disadvantage of star topology. If the hub fails, the whole system also fails. The next one is tree topology. It is a variant of star. Not every device plugs directly into the central hub. The majority of devices connected to secondary hub that in turn is connected to the central hub. So basically, this is tree topology. We can see in the diagram. The advantage of tree topology. The addition of secondary hubs bring more advantage, allows more devices to be attached to a single central hub, therefore increase the distance a signal can travel between devices. Bus topology. Multi-point connection acts as a backbone to link all the devices in the network. The bus pattern connects the computer to the same communication line. Communications goes both directions along the line. All the computers can communicate with each other without having to go through a server. There's a limit on the number of taps on a bus it can support and on the distance between those taps. As the signal travels along the backbone, it becomes weaker. Advantage of a bus topology are ease of installation, use less cabling than mesh or star. Dis- However, there are some disadvantages too. Fault in bus cable stops all transmissions even between the devices on the same side of the problem. The damaged area reflects the signal back the direction of origin, creating noise in both directions. Reconnection can difficult to add new devices, adding more require modification or replacement of the backbone. And the last one is ring topology. Each device has a dedicated point-to-point connection only with the two devices on either side of it. A signal is passed along the ring in one direction from device until it reaches its destination. The ring pattern connects the computers and other devices one to the other in a circle. There is no central host or computer that holds all the data. Communication flows in one direction around the ring. Each device in the ring incorporate as a repeater. Repeater regenerates the signal. It receives a weakened signal, creates a copy bit for bit at the original strength. The advantage of ring topology are easy to install and reconfigure. Each device is linked only to its immediate neighbors. To add or delete a device requires hanging only two connections. Fault isolation is simplified. A signal is circulating at all times. If one device does not receive a signal within specified period, it can issue an alarm. The alarm alerts this network operator to the problem and its location. The disadvantage of ring topology are unidirectional traffic. A break in the ring, such as a disabled station, can disable the entire network. This can be solved by use dual ring. And then the hybrid topology. This is a star backbone with three bus networks. We can see all there are multiple bus networks connected to a hub. So this is a hybrid of star and a bus network. So this is all about different types of topologies. In this, we discussed about different types of topologies: mesh, star, bus, ring, and hybrid topology. Thank you, everyone.